Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Equities are ripping higher right now. Yeah, NASDAQ got above 7,500. The S&P up near yesterday's high. You know, what really started to get the ball going was President Trump said he's going to delay auto tariffs. The early morning action was fairly weak. Coming out of the evening, you had poor data out of China, underwhelming GDP from Europe, and then retail sales missed here. Industrial production was poor. New York Empire State Manufacturing was a bright spot, but overall the tape wasn't looking so pretty. And this comment sort of just started to move things. And really it shows more than that comment itself. It's people are looking for a reason to buy value down here. And here we go. We're ripping higher right now. Today's close is going to be important. We have some levels in the Morning Express. Check it out. Now, crude oil has followed this overall risk on move, but it's also been a favorable or arguably favorable EIA report. Yesterday's API inventory, the private survey was extremely bearish. I mean, you had over 8 million barrel build estimated for crude, builds across the board. Today, the EIA, definitely more than expected, but only about 5.5 million barrel build. You had a draw in gasoline. You had 100,000 barrels production estimated drop in the lower 48 states. Less production is going to bring down the supply, or at least thought so. So you're getting a big pickup here on crude oil out above 62, battling at that 62 ground. Remember, strong resistance at 62.55. We have not been able to close out above there. Today would certainly be the day to do it, and then that could bring a tailwind higher here to finish out the week. Lastly, one thing that does concern us is gold. Obviously, with this risk-on move, it's taken away from the safe havens. Treasuries are off the highs of the session. Gold is too. Gold tried to get out above 1,300, and it's starting to stall. One thing that worries us is how gold has stalled in recent months. Since peaking in February, the stalls start to pick up in a lot of selling and push lower. What you want to watch for gold here, it still has a bull flag potentially developing, and it's still out above the trend line from the February that broke out above earlier this week. 1295 is going to be crucial with that. We're looking at the pocket of support, 1291, 1295. Holding that is constructive. A move below there is a failure, but we still really want to see this thing constructively close higher. 1301 is that mark. Let's get it closed out above there. Doesn't look like it will do it today, but again, hold support is constructive. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates. You can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.